Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and this view behind me, it just feels like we're in the twilight zone, as we are not used to seeing this much heavy and accumulating snow all the way down to the coastline, but that is exactly what's happening, and it's still sticking to the ground, maybe not to the pavement, but to some of these other surfaces it is, because the temperatures at the ground right at freezing, so that's what you need for some snow to stick. Still temperatures way below freezing over on the east side, but we are seeing a mixture of temperatures above and below freezing for the west side valleys. In the Rogue Valley, we're above freezing. In the Shasta Valley, still below freezing, and still right at freezing there along the coast in Brookings. Now we have a little bit of good news to pass along in regards to winter storm warnings. The ones that were in place for Curry County, Josephine County, Jackson County, all allowed to expire, but now all of the drama is going to shift down to Siskiyou County. So we have these winter storm warnings in place in elevations above 2,000 feet. Those run until 10 in the morning on Friday. And then for elevations below that, we have winter weather advisories also in place for the same time frame. So we're going to continue to watch all these showers pivoting from west to kind of drifting to the east and northeast. So some of these could provide some additional snow showers to places like Grants Pass and Medford. Even though it's actually sunny right now in Medford, we cannot rule out more snow showers working back into the region. But as far as accumulating snowfall, I think most of that is going to shift down to Siskiyou County and to the east side. So we'll show you that shift in the action on Stormcast, and by the time we get to right around dinner time, you can see just showers all across the map. So I feel like our satellite and radar picture at this point is going to look very similar, but then you can see that clear shift as the storm system starts drifting down to the south. You get this very clear south to north flow with some of the snow. So that is going to put Mount Shasta City right under the gun when it comes to some big time snowfall amounts. And it looks like a lot of this is going to stream over to the east side also. But then the million-dollar question, it feels like we've had a few million-dollar questions over the past couple of days. But in this instance, the million-dollar question for Friday morning is, it looks like a lot of this is going to go to the east side, but some models are bringing that moisture wrapping back around to the Rogue Valley, so we could have yet another shot at some snowfall in the Rogue Valley. But those biggest impacts are going to continue to be down in south central Siskiyou County. We'll get another pretty heavy wave of snow for Friday afternoon into the evening, but then after that we should clear out for late Friday night, and then all of us should be completely clear for Saturday. Here's some of those rainfall projections through Friday night. So this is the snow water equivalent. So this takes into account rainfall and snowfall, and obviously the winner is going to be the Mount Shasta City area. And snowfall totals on this map, snowfall projections, so subject to change, probably will change, but these totals are also representative of some of the snow water equivalent totals we saw. So we're thinking that bullseye is going to be down towards Mount Shasta City. That means that travel is going to be very dangerous on Snowman Summit, on Black Butte Pass, maybe just getting an additional trace for Medford, for Grants Pass, and for Brookings. And it looks like all of the heaviest snow has shifted from Crater Lake and Diamond Lake down to the south. And also we could get some more tangible impacts for the east side as well. Anywhere between 2 to 6 inches we could have on Oregon 140, then maybe just a couple inches for Klamath Falls and for Lakeview. So for today, more snow showers, but again, the engine of the storm system, the core of the storm system is going to slowly drift down to the south, and that means that a lot of heavy snow is going to shift with it down to south central Siskiyou County, also to the east side as well. So those passes that I mentioned looking very dangerous as we head into Friday morning. A little bit of a break for Saturday, but then into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we are also observing the possibility for more high impact winter weather. So here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. Snow looking likely for the rest of the day. We'll have some snow showers lingering into Friday, then a beautiful day on Saturday before some more turbulent weather returns, but this time it's mainly just going to be rainfall, at least for the coast. But snow levels looking pretty low for this next storm system, anywhere between 1,000 feet to 2,500 feet. So that would mean that it would mainly just be snow for Siskiyou County, also for the east side as well. But it's just too early to say anything specific about some of those snowfall totals. So keep it locked in right here to News Watch 12, and me, Matt McKenzie, will have the latest as we continue to get more model data in. But early indications are that this could be another big-time snow event for the Cascades. Great news for the snowpack, and then for the Rogue Valley. Snow showers wrapping up today. We could maybe have some more snow showers into Friday. Chances for that looking pretty low right now, but then rain returning as soon as Sunday.